Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you easy and quick way how you can make the scatter plot in the Excel. So before we're going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we go. This is my Excel sheet, and I have some sample data like employee numbers, and I have the sales, the reference sales of the employee. So first, here I'm going to show you how you can quickly create the scatter plot or a graph or chart here, and then I will show you how you can manage the scatter plot. So just select the data which you want to, uh, the reference data, and now you have to go in the insert you will find the chart, and here you can find the scatter. You then select the scatter one, any scatter chart, and you can insert the scatter chart like this. You can move the scatter chart, just hold the anywhere within the chart and just move like this. Okay, so you can see this is a vertical which is show the total sales, which is this row. Okay, and this is a horizontal which show the total employee. Okay, there's a many option you can change, like you can change the chart title like this. Just double click on this and just change the chart title like total sales. You can change color also, chart color. Just select, sorry, just select every, and then this will become, you can change the chart color, chart title color from here, scatter chart color from here. There is a many option will come when you double click any element. If I double click this element, then this option will come, and here we got the many option, like if you want the title horizontal anything you can change from here. Okay, and guys, you can minimize maximize the size also. Just hold this corner from holding the left button of your mouse, and you can minimize, maximum, or change or resize your scatter chart map graphs. Okay, you can change range from here, like you can't change the range from of employee, but you can change, range of this, like sales, to better understand graphs or better represent the graphs. So just double click on this element, so this will become option. So you can change the color also. There is a many option you can change, handle or manage. So there is a bond, you can, if there is a 120 maximum, you can change with the 140, that you can see it will be better understand. Okay, there is a unit also, you can change like 20 to, yeah, 40. So it will be very maybe difficult, or when you minimize it will be better understand. Okay, so I reset it and it reset it. Okay, so here there is a many option you can use. You can add, like if you click on within the chart and click on plus, here the many option you can see, like data table, error bar, legend. Okay, you want to select legend, there will be legend will be come here. Okay, yeah, the legend will be add in scatter chart, and if you want to shift in bottom top, you can shift it like this. Okay, there's a timeline you can add, like a timeline like liner, forecast, two pointer, moving more, whatever timeline you want to add you can add here. Data labels, you can, if you want to add that access title like this, you can add the access title. Okay, just like this, and you can change the title, like this is the sales and this is the employee. Like you can change the, like, access title name also in scatter chart. So that is how you can manage or make scatter point in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for